Luna, and I want to introduce about my favorite restaurant. I like hamburgers. Hamburgers is delicious and easy to eat. I don't prefer hamburgers when I was young, but now I like them all. So I will talk about Lotteria. First, Lotteria is a Korea hamburger store. There are 1,200 Lotteria stores, and it is more than McDonald's and Burger King. Also, most Korean areas have Lotteria store. It is more faster to count area that no have Lotteria, so I think Lotteria is the best store. Second, Lotteria stores are easy to find and eat. Most of Korean areas have Lotteria store. Also, when you order hamburgers, it will bake in 5 minutes. And when you order burgers, then you can eat potato chips for free. So these are my reasons I want to recommend Lotteria hamburger. I prefer you should go to Lotteria and try some burgers. Thank you for listening.